In the world of racing, either as rider for motorcycle or driver for car, absolutely need the high skill and competence for driving such a fast and high performance vehicle. But how if the rider with high talent struggle to get his driver license for motorcycle on road? Well, it's maybe kind of hurt, funny or weird, but yeah, that actually really happened in real life with world champions of superbike racing rider WSBK Jonathan Rea. He even not only have once to get WSBK champion, at least until this video made, he is the first to have won the Superbike World Championship 6 times. In 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020. So that is full 6-road champion. And this is a story of Jonathan Rea that hard to get his driving license in a motorcycle until he can finally get it. So let's go jump to the video and hope you enjoy. As a good citizen, Jonathan Rea is determined to obtain a driving license. Like other license applicants, the man who now races with the Kawasaki racing team started the process by taking written tests. Jonathan Rea did not pass this stage on his first attempt on the Isle of Man. This is certainly quite embarrassing for a racer of his caliber. Apparently, being good at the circuit is not directly proportional to your driving skill on the road. However, Jonathan Rea did not give up. In his attempt again, the racer was finally declared to have passed and had the right to advance to the next stage, namely CBT. CBT or Compulsory Basic Training is a course held by the United Kingdom government to provide basic driving skill for motorbike riders. There are 5 materials provided, namely Introduction, Motorbike Control, Off-road Driving, Safety, and Driving on the Highway. Jonathan Rea uploaded documentation while performing CBT on his personal YouTube channel. In the video, he appears to be accompanied by a trainer who is also his assessor. Riding a Kawasaki Z650, Jonathan Rea followed the trainer to a training ground. Of course, you must comply with the speed limit that applies in Great Britain, which is 96 km/h, and you cannot go above 100 km/h like on the circuit. He also continued the course with the first test, namely driving zigzag through a row of cones. At this stage, Jonathan Rea didn't seem to be having any difficulties at all. Moving on to the next material, Jonathan Rea was required to travel at speed of 96 km/h and stop right in front of his coach. He also studied the material very well. This is really very strange. Now I have to ride my motorbike properly and safely, he said like that. I usually need time to warm up the tires and so on when racing. Moreover, the road was wet, so I was even more nervous. The hardest part is that I have to constantly check on my blind spots. Rea said his biggest fear was when driving on the highway, pedestrians and cars made him nervous, because he had never encountered these two things on the track during a race. And after going through several processes, Rea was finally able to successfully graduate.
Yes! I passed. No minor mistakes. No big mistakes, obviously, or I wouldn't have passed. So that's it. I'm still scared to turn around and show you the course, but because I'm in the car park, so I'm not allowed. But yeah, I had to drift in and out of cones, do figures of 8, emergency stops, swerve, riding at like snail's pace. So that's the basic bike skills test done. Next is the on-road stuff, so that's the one I'm worried about. But we'll see. Give it a go. I'm a pass from CBT. Sorry. That's my CBT. That's my phase 1. Like in and out of cones, emergency stop, manual handling, avoidance, moving away. All that passed. So now today is about going out on the road. So
Not only that, he was finally able to buy a new motorbike after getting the driver license. It might sound strange to the 6 times WSBK World Champion, with a motor vehicle driving license. But for the story, we will stop until here. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Hope you enjoy. See you.
I'm not sure how to do. I got the superstar glow, so ooh, to the fullest. I take my life to my feet. I let the moon rock with me, baby. Know that I'm not there yet. Let me show